Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to use our light leak overlays in Photoshop. I'm using Adobe Photoshop CS6, however this works in all versions of CS and CC. So the first thing you want to do is open up your photo and then go up here to File and click on Place. Then you want to find where you have your light leak saved. I've got mine already up here. I'm just going to click Place. Now you can see that it doesn't cover the whole edge of the photo, and depending on your image size this may be the case. But no worries, we can fix that. I want you to go over and click on a corner here, and you want to hold down your shift key so that way it doesn't distort your image, and drag it and just until it covers the edges here. And then you can click on enter, or you can click this check mark, and that way it'll bring it up here. Now you can leave it as it is, or you can change the blend mode, which is up here in your layers panel. If you don't have your layers panel open, you can go over here to Window and go down to Layers and make sure there's a check mark next to it. If there's not a check mark, you can click on it and it will open up your Layers panel. If there is a check mark, you might just have your Layers panel somewhere else in here. So everyone sets up their Photoshop in different ways. So mine's down here, yours might be up here. So I'm going to change the blend mode by clicking on this button that says Normal and going down, and there are several different ones you can try. You can do overlay, you can do soft light, hard light. There's a bunch of different things in here that you can play around with. Screen, that one kind of gives it a light and airy feel. I kind of like that. I think I'm going to leave that there. But you can mix and match different ones here. See what you like. And then I'm going to add another one. So I'm going to go down to Place, and I'm going to do this one here. And I'm not going to stretch this one out yet because I'm going to do this one vertically. So I'm going to click on this corner here. And then up here, I'm going to put 90 here. Actually, I'm going to put -90 here because I want it on this side. And that just rotates it for me. Now I'm going to drag it by clicking and holding and moving it over here. And so I didn't have to end up resizing this one because it's shorter on this side. And then click check mark. And then I'm going to come over here, and I think that I'm going to use hard light for this one because I really like how it brings out that purple and it really pops. And that's all you have to do. If there's a place where you want to erase some of your light leak, you can go down here and click on this button here to create a layer mask. And you want to make sure that you have a black brush, and you want to make sure that the hardness is all the way down to 0. That way you don't have all these funky lines when you erase. So we're going to make it 0. I'm going to make this bigger here. It can be whatever size you need it to be. And then just start painting it on where you don't want it. Now if there's a place where you erase too much, you can go over and change it to a white brush and paint it back on. I actually like it on here, so I'm not going to take it off at all. And that's it. If you want to move this down, if it's too high on your picture, you can just drag it and move it down. Leave it right about there. And then just go to File and Save As, and then you can name it whatever you want and save it on your computer where you're going to be able to find it. And that's it.